All right, we're starting the stream now. Going live across the board. We go. It was against my better judgment to go live today anyway, so you guys are going to help my case. All right, let's see.
We support you no matter what, Coach.
This is Jinx in the middle. See, TikTok is starting to come up. Can see people coming in. Good morning, all of you beautiful people. Easy this morning. So it's WGRX. WGRX volume 600K. Free float 3.8. Marking it where I said, right there. WG. GT in Cincinnati. People, are you with me on that?
We're here.
WJRT in Cincinnati. You guys remember that?
Yes, I don't think it sounded like that though, Coach. I'm just kidding.
My favorite episode was the flying turkeys.
As God is my witness,
Les Nessman.
I thought turkeys could fly.
Yes. It's a nightmare to see all those turkeys falling into the cars. Wow.
I think we lost him. Coach, are you with us?
Yeah, can you guys hear me? Are we
Just
good?
wasn't,
There you're
he
clear.
just wasn't laughing. He was laughing on the inside. That's all.
Yay. WGRX. WGRX is now up $1 since I said it looked good. Do you guys see it? It's up a whole dollar since I said look at WGRX.
I'm in it, Coach.
Thank you. Is my internet still cutting out? Because if it is, I'm out.
You're much clearer.
Oh, okay.
I think I know what it is, coaches. I see you on YouTube. You're on your laptop, right?
Yes.
So Zoom will have that the auto adjust on the microphone, so it'll like cancel out any noise in the background if you bring the laptop a little bit closer. I mean, YouTube we hear you fine, but YouTube might not have that auto adjust. So on Zoom we have it. So if you bring the laptop closer, maybe, or that, or speak louder. I don't know. One of those two.
I thought it's just it's manually trying to suppress the noise.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. If you got no energy today, that's probably what it is.
Setting to remove that garbage.
There is, yeah. If you click the arrow next to the microphone, audio settings, and then the one that says automatically adjust microphone, and then there's one that has for suppression. So where it says background noise suppression auto, you would select either low, medium, or high background speech, faint background noise inside of the settings, audio settings in Zoom.
Either that or do what Don does in the aftermarket to see close or bend down real close to that laptop. Love you, Don.
Same. Check. Mic check.
Yep, it's better.
Okay, let's try this one. Better, worse, or same? Check microphone check.
That's good.
So they're the same. I just did low and high.
I thought it was better.
Yeah, it's better.
This one or this one?
Now it's
Both
worse.
of them weren't too, yeah.
This one's probably the one. Phone check. Is this the one we use?
That's terrible.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can't even tell what you said there.
Phone check. Is this better or worse?
Terrible.
What's going on? Hold on. Jamal. Let's try this check. Microphone check. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Microphone check.
You know, I haven't done my good morning, beautiful people.
Microphone check. Testing 1, 2. Can you hear
There
me?
you go.
Can hear you.
Is this better, worse, same, different?
Yeah, I think you just did.
The people are in there.
Same,
65
different.
people.
Somebody else has got their stuff on. That's really not helping.
They come for the entertainment.
There you go.
Dawn, that's you.
What? Oh,
We
sorry.
can hear your episode of the Waltons in the background. You want to take care of that? Waltons. For God's sake.
Come on, Bob.
Hey, let's check the sound again before I turn this crap off and just say screw it for the day. Check microphone check 1, 2. Testing microphone check.
That's clear.
Better.
Sounds good in Florida, Coach.
Thank you, partner. Bruno, I'm using the original sound for musicians.
Nice. Yeah, I have auto suppression, but then again, I have the boom mic in front of my face. So yeah.
The next time I'm on top of him, it's probably that's what I'll do. Is I'll throw him on. Be some pounds or something, man.
Terrible. Breaking up bad.
Well, the minute his voice drops, if you got no bass in that voice, it's gonna drop off.
It's absolutely no good today, man.
Somebody
I think you need to go home
a
and
Red Bull.
reintroduce to your bedroom.
I
Take
feel
a
like
rest.
next time he asks for mic check, we should tell him it's bad because then he can go home and not worry about it. Because that's you're right. Take the day off, coach. We'll say it, and then it's okay. Just do it.
Let me try one more thing. Hold on.
Try once more.
Let me use a different mic. Hold on. Let me use the big bad boys. Hold on. Check, check. Testing now using the AirPods Max microphone.
That one's the best so far.
Yeah, that one's way better.
Check microphone. Check. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Come on now. Check, check, check.
Check your booty.
Check your booty. Check your booty. All right, let me try this with regular noise cancellation then and see if it's okay. All right, testing now with normal background noise removal while using the AirPods Max. Check testing. Check.
Good.
Check testing, changing to automatically adjust noise suppression. Check testing.
Very clear.
Is that good?
Very clear.
Yeah, that's good.
Yay! Now I just look like a reject. Hey, whatever, man. Whatever works. Whatever makes you sleep better at night, coach.
Pretty sure you've been called worse.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
That's true. Facts. Let me make sure to, okay, can't hear you, coach. No sound here, over on. Okay, hold on. Hold on. All right, check, testing. Okay, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch. Let me know. Can you hear me now? Check, testing, 1, 2. Miranda says, no, we cannot hear you. No, you should be able to hear me. I can see the mic levels are picking up. No, okay, hold on. Hold on 1 second.
I can hear you on YouTube.
Right. Just give me one. Okay, good. Okay, so OBS is working. Let me change the studio. Uno momento. Audio.
Bilingual station clear.
Yeah. Oh, what a day. I wasn't anticipating all this. The joys of running your own business. Okay, here we go. Now we should have audio. Check 1, 2. Check, check. Testing. Primary mic does not connect. Available. Hold on. Check 1, 2. Testing. It's working now. All right, they're saying, yup, no volume, working. Perfect. Thank you. Can hear you. Okay, good. Thank you, gang. Sorry about all that. Yay, yay, yay. All right, now we're cooking with gas. Let's get this party started now that it's 9:15. Good morning, everybody. Appreciate all of you being here. Love your faces. I don't know why I keep thinking it's Friday. I almost said it again. My days are all crazy mixed up here. I take a couple days and it just everything's nutto land. So bear with me while I get my bearings. The old man's trying to get his bearings. All right. Real quick before we get this party started, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Dawn, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for all of my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Yesterday we had ASST. We actually called that out live to the group yesterday. That ran up 455%. We were looking at it around this $1.77. I remember us talking about it again around $1.77. Hit a close 339. It is now at 530. So nice $3.5 move there. Congratulations to all of you that was able to take advantage of that. You beautiful, amazing people. We'll see what it wants to do. You guys, of course, will be watching this pre-market high right here at 582. Please keep an eye on that. As you should know, when you come in and you start charting everything, make sure you always mark your pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low. Get set up for success by doing that right away. It will look like this. Let me clear out some of these lines to make it easy. I don't have my quick mouse setting on here, otherwise this would be a hell of a lot faster, but I want you to do this every day. You'll just come in here. You can see right there, that's pre-market high. You can see right here is previous day high, previous day low. And then if we look at this, pre-market low, there you go. There's all your lines for the day. If you want to get really crazy,
Recording in progress.
if you want to get really crazy, you can also put in little text right here. Will look just like this, so it can say pre-market high. So whatever makes it easier for you, right? Previous day high. And so on and so forth. Put them wherever you want, whatever makes it easy for you to see. Make sense? Great. That's nice. Speaking of making sense and what is absolutely great, don't forget today we have that Diamond Lifetime membership available for $5,000 to get you access to everything that we have, all membership services today and in the future. Also, I think we sold 4 or 5 yesterday, our OG premium lifetime memberships. So as long as they sell, I'll leave them up there. So today, again, if you are interested in one of our premium lifetime memberships, that is $750 for a lifetime. We have not offered this in over 2 years. So if you are interested in getting one of these OG lifetime memberships, now is the time to do it. I would highly recommend, if you have the means, check out the Diamond Lifetime membership though. So real quick, if you guys are interested in joining us at any time, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, click on pricing, or scroll down. You will see everything we have available. If you guys want to get started with a premium membership starting at $125 per month, you guys will get access to the membership lounge, all of the Zoom training and trading starting at 8:45 to 4 o'clock every day the market is open. All the hot stock picks, which we've already posted. The pre-market setup where we give you those key critical areas that will get you started at the bell and throughout the day. We'll get you the IPO center, any earnings that are coming out, and the videos on demand. So basically everything you need to get started with us for $125 a month. Or again, right now, the special we're running, we haven't ran it in 2 years. If you don't want to pay $125 a month for the rest of your life, $750 one and done with the premium membership. When you're ready to upgrade, you can get into one of our VIP memberships. They start at $500 a month. Obviously, we have quarterly, semi-annual, annual, and some lifetime still available, which will get you obviously in much cheaper. But with the VIP, you guys are going to get early pre-market access to start trading and training with some of our training mentors and other millionaires in the group at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yes, that is 12 hours a day. You guys will get the VIP lounge, workshop classes, VIP extra advanced training videos. We have over 50 of those. And of course, our trading view indicators, which are now at 3.0. If you guys want to upgrade your VIP to a gold, you can do that. With that, you'll get all the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support, the weekend training that we have every Saturday at 11 o'clock. Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, the news service, breakout rooms that we've been running every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You'll also get all of the sessions will be recorded for you so you can go back if you work, if you miss anything, it's all recorded for gold members. And of course, we have the live Apple chat with one of our training moderators, David over there, who's been running that for 2.5 years inside of the 2-minute EWO, back testing, running it. It's now made over $600,000 in profits. You can see exactly when he gets in, why he does what he does, when he does it. Comes with receipts every single day. Has not had a red day since October. $600,000. Good job. If you guys are interested in futures, I've got Mark over there training on futures right now, one of our other training moderators. Every day at 8:45 till 4 o'clock with the regular futures memberships. You guys will get all the futures education, the training videos, the futures lounge, the trading view indicators, and any extra things that they throw in over there. We still need to change these cards of information. You guys still have listed futures live chats. You have replays. You have news service. None of that is available for regular futures members. You guys were beta testing that until we went live. They are live. They do no longer have access to that. Moderators, take note. Again, if you guys are interested in getting everything, crypto, futures, stocks, options, Diamond Lifetime membership. This is a $20,000 membership you guys can get today for $5,000. This is the tail end of the sale. I've been promoting this for over a month. Diamond Lifetime memberships, 5K, everything. Listen, everything we have is $5,000 for each lifetime. We easily have over 10 of those. This is over $50,000, 5K today, and includes the mentorship which the mentorship alone is $500 a month. So with the Diamond Lifetime Membership, which typically costs $20,000 on sale today for $5,000, you get the mastermind classes, 1 hour tech support, weekend training, VIP Gold Lounge access, VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support, news service, breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All the Zoom recordings are, all the Zoom sessions are recorded for you. The live Apple chat, the early pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., the VIP lounge, the workshop classes, the VIP training videos, the advanced training videos, the trading view indicators, hot stock picks, pre-market setup, the IPO center, videos on demand, the futures lounge, the futures training videos, the futures trading view indicators, the news service for futures, crypto, and VIP. All of those will be sent to you. The crypto lounge, the crypto training videos, the trading view indicators for crypto, the Zoom replays, the mentorship. Get over there right now. Moderators are standing by to assist you. We have almost 20 moderators. Don't forget, we will never send you a friend request. We will never reach out to you directly. If you need any help, you can only reach us by going to the help desk. Underneath ADT free access, you'll see it says help desk support. Click on that, click the ticket, and you will get help. A couple rules that we live by here. Make sure you never lose more than 1 to 3% total of your account value ever in any given day. Make sure you guys are paper trading, simulate trading while you are in training. Make sure you guys have stops on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. Make sure you guys journal every day. If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you're an advanced trader, be careful the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the regular trading session. Again, make sure you follow all of these rules, not some, all of them. It's all about risk management. It's not about making money, okay? The making money part will come after you are a good stock market trader. So don't go chasing them dollars, all right? That's not what it's about. It's about becoming a good stock market trader. Make sure you guys are practicing with small base hits, allowing those runners to run, stop out the losers. Don't worry, when you get in those nice small base hits, they will turn into home runs, but you've got to let them work. All right, we've got just a couple minutes to the bell today. Hope you guys are ready to rock and roll.
Go chasing.
That's oh, that's awesome.
Tiny penny.
Yes, love it, love it.
Thinking more like don't go chasing waterfalls.
Yes,
Oh man.
yes, yes. So everybody be cool. Don't be a fool. You won't like it. Nobody go rogue today. I'm serious. Moderators, you guys have to make sure you're controlling all the boards. I appreciate you. Yes, we haven't released the regular lifetime membership in 2 years. Yep, we ran it. That was the first OG thing that I had. If you guys remember back in the day, it started at like 500, went to 550, 750, 1,000. I shut it all down.
I got it for 5.
5. What a deal. My goodness gracious. Like I said, this is an OG flashback sale. You guys can get it for 750, which is just an absolute freaking steal, right? That's like what, 6 months of service forever?
Stop doing that in 2023, gang.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
That was what the price was when I came in. I was like, holy shit.
Yep. Yep, that was the old one. That was absolutely. So listen, we're going to be driving these sales through the month of May just so everybody can get a chance, and then we're right back, baby, right back to our regular pricing schedule. But you need to get in here. I cannot stress this enough. All these lifetime memberships are going away. There's just the loss leader. There's no reason to have them in place, so I'm trying to give you all the opportunity to do it right now. Yeah, you've been here a long time. Yep. Puny, Mitch, yep, Jimmy, Brady.
Yep.
Yep. He's calling out all the OG names.
Mitch going live
Yep.
on TikTok.
Yep, absolutely.
That's why you on TikTok you in the very beginning.
With his shorts.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, it's 750 right now if you get in that. I'm not going to run that OG 750 for the whole month of May. Most likely that won't run the whole month of May. As soon as those sales slow down or die, I'm just going to kill it because either people want it or you don't. Out. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Appreciate you being here. Yeah, we're right now, don't come at me with receipts, but right now we're at over $200 million in profits for our community. And we're over 200 people retired as of about 2 years ago. I don't know what the count is anymore. People used to tell me every day they'd send me a message, which we stopped all direct messages. They would always send me a message. I'm retired. I'm done. Thank you. Like the whole, all every day, right? It's awesome. But I stopped all direct messages, even to myself. Somebody sends me a direct message now. I'm like, don't message me. If you need something, you have to open a ticket. There's no direct messages. So, yes, thank you. Thank you. If we get to 50,000 likes today before I leave, or 300 concurrent viewers, we will do a giveaway. Thank you.
Ding dong.
Thank you. Here goes the bell. Ding 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 ding. Bang bang. Let's make some money. Make sure you guys call out. Your call outs are clear and concise. Try to catch it on the first 2 minute EWO indicator if possible. Make sure if it's a hot stock pick, just say hot stock pick, moving to the upside, blah, blah, blah. Thank you. That'd be great. Thank you. Again, I will be trading off of a live futures account today. Micro May, they will be small. Small, small, small today. Let's rock and roll. SPY ES futures starting to get a little bit of a pop.
Coach, ASST.
Is.
It did pop, no dropping.
All right. Thank you. Kind of.
Never mind.
Never mind. Like I said, starting to get a little bit of a move here on SPY and ES. Just remember, don't trade in the first couple minutes. It is going to be choppy chop. Let me put in this stop so I don't run into what I did yesterday, being a fool. Make sure you guys have your stops in place, right? That'd be great.
Moving up. New high.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not going to be here super long today. I have a ton of stuff to do. Love your faces. I will get us through the open. That was my intention, is at least make sure we get through the open.
Tesla, 2 huge green candles.
Tesla, 2 huge green candles. Everybody hear that? Thank you. Did I have my stop too close down here on VWAP? I did. I got wicked out. Be careful, right? Watch your stops. Make sure they're accurate. Mine was not.
NQ testing double bottom.
Thank you. Yeah, getting a nice pull here. There it goes. Getting a nice little pullback here on SPY and Apple. Apple's already in a 2 minute EWO flagged to the downside already, right at the open. Nice, nice. SPY looking at support around 564.50. That was previous day high, I believe. Or pre-market, looks like pre-market low. So we'll be watching that. Marking this on my screen right now. There we go.
Hot stock pick GPUS up 24%.
Thank you. Good call on that. Nicey nice.
ASST up 75%.
Thank you. ASST continuing to climb. We called that yesterday. Moved over 500% throughout the day yesterday on our hot stock pick ASST.
Tesla second green EWO.
Thank you. Apple 2 minute EWO still pulling back. SPY ES futures, same thing, still pulling. Still bouncing around here. It is touching the pre-market low. Double bottom bounce on that pre-market low. Everybody see that? Bounced up. Just going to see if this will just continue to bleed out here or not.
Tesla third green EWO 6-star trade.
Thank you. Hopefully you guys are loving our 2-minute EWO indicators and starting to give you some confidence with those now, the 3.0s. Anybody enjoying our new TradingView indicators?
Yes, sir.
Love it.
Love them, Coach.
Good, good.
Yes, we are.
ASST halted up.
Thank you.
They are phenomenal.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Checks in the mail.
Negative.
Getting a double bottom bounce here on the pre-market setup. This was that 564.50 that I talked about earlier. Double bottom bounce.
Boots with the fur.
Yep.
Palantir's going for it, new high.
PLTR new high. Thank you. I get out of this and wait for a better setup. I should be on it below this level. I'll take the $18 loss and walk. I should not be on a double bottom bounce trying to short. That would be foolish. Wouldn't that be foolish, ladies and gentlemen?
Tesla's gone.
It sure would. It sure would. Yes, Tesla still to the upside. Could you imagine if there was a place that said that Tesla was going to be making some amazing moves leading up to June?
There is only one place, Coach, and it is none other than American Dream Trading.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Love your face.
Love your face. I just remember the whole world was screaming no, and I kept saying this is the perfect opportunity. It's the perfect storm. It's glorious.
The aftermarket last night.
Yeah, I did not watch it. Was it good?
Yeah, it was real good.
Good.
And she gave a master class. Maria was on there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we did the trifecta last night.
Oh, wow.
Breaking hold.
Love it. Love it, love it.
How they're trying to shake people out of NVIDIA. I think that's going to work.
Let's take a peek. Yeah, oh yeah, sitting at support 117.35, so 117.50-ish. Which membership gets you the new indicator? VIP, crypto, futures, diamond. Get the diamond. I see you, the one you love to hate. Boy, that took me a while to put that together. That's that Flint education. That took a while to kick in.
And just an FYI, other than Coach, please try to stay to specifics for the first half hour.
Thank you. Double bottom bounce, pre-market low. That was a beautiful setup up to the 9. It is respecting the 9. It keeps doing this over and over and over. Everybody see how this keeps, this is the 4th time it's come up to the 9, right? There we go. Pre-market. There she goes. Now I'll set this up here. Nice. Move my stop above what I paid. Let it go. Oh, I got stopped out right there. Trying to protect the trade, but still beautiful to the downside here. It was a nice, nice setup. As soon as that broke, right, that's where you hammer time. Good job.
Yes, that's 1 minute to resumption.
Thank you. Who's in these SPY shorts?
How much $150, coach.
Thank you. That was a nice setup. I did it to protect my trade, just to keep it in mind for all of you, but still a setup and still beautiful to the downside.
I'm in the queue short.
Yep. Nvidia getting short now, sinking. Same with Apple. 2-minute EWO is just beautiful over there on Apple. Nice. SPY still falling down. It's got a gap to 563. I'm going to take 2 off the table. Got to collect them profits, right, gang?
Palantir continue to step up nicely. New highs.
Thank you. Just bought when this got up to this level, sold 2 more. Did you guys see how I did that? I bought 2 more puts, or shorts, I should say, when it came up to here. Then as soon as it got in profit down here, sold them again. Back up on the 9. This one had a big bounce. If it breaks VWAP, I'll get out. That means I can add a little bit right here. Why? Because if I'm going to get out right here, I've got minimal risk on the add. Apple 2-minute EWO. You guys are super printing right now. Good job. Taking more right there.
I just can't stay in it. I'm trying so hard to do the 2-minute, but I end up scalping.
Just leave it alone.
I got 1.47% on my account. I'm up 29% so far this month.
Good job. Yeah, you just
Beautiful on Apple, it's green to red.
try this. Just scalp to 1, right? Scalp to 1 runner and let it go. Work with that, right? Because then you've made all your profit and there's nothing really left to hurt. Make sense?
Yeah, other than my account size.
Yeah. Well, 1 isn't going to hurt you, so
It's not a very big account.
I got you. But still, you're never going to get it right until you start listening, right?
Yeah, I know.
So you're making 24% when you could be making 200%. You see the difference?
Yeah.
A 2-minute EWO is not a scalp, gang. Follow the 2-minute EWO rules.
Coach, I was super excited about that 50% yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, that sucker went over 200%.
Yeah, that's why we don't get excited, right? We just let it run. Remember,
I know it.
here's the beauty of it all, gang. This is the beauty. We cap the loss, but there is no cap to the gain. And that's where you make the money. So we stop it out. We know exactly what to get on the stop out, right? But we don't know what it's going to be the other side. It's an unlimited amount of money to make with a limited stop loss. Make sense? Okay, good.
100%.
Okay, good. Until you get that, none of this is going to matter. You're just going to barely make any money, barely make any money, barely make any money, and wonder why you have bigger red days than green. If you can't listen to that first initial thing, you will never get ahead. This will never make sense. You'll just constantly have tiny accounts that barely do anything. Let it go. Follow my rules, and you will see success. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you guys.
Coach, along those lines, when you have your last runner, you put your stop above your buy-in price, right? You don't ever let it go red.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, there's no reason to ever let the last one, even if it's not, near VWAP and all that. No, there's no reason to ever allow the last one to ever go red. It should already be in a good place. You'll get there. It takes time. It takes practice. It's a mental game of what we're doing here, right? This is all about you finding yourself, you working with yourself, how to control your own emotions. Because remember, trading is always built on fear or greed, and you have to be able to control those. Until you do, you're just going to be a regular trader, right? I mean, what did Mark?
ADP in my tool bag.
Yeah, I think Mark did what, $26,000 again yesterday that he posted in the public area, the stock lounge area. You don't make $26,000 by not following the rules, right?
Did your new millionaire ever give you permission to say who it was?
He didn't, but I'm pretty sure you guys will be able to figure it out.
Get off his lawn.
I'm sure you guys could probably be able to figure some stuff out.
Just quickly, Coach, trading in the zone, which you and a few others have recommended, is great for helping to manage the emotions. It's strongly recommend that.
Good, good. Thank you.
True.
Do you guys see what I keep doing with this trade, by the way? I don't know if you guys have noticed it. I've made inside of the same trade like 15 times, right? Every time it pulls up, I add. Every time it puts me in the green, I buy them back for a profit. Have you guys noticed what I've been doing this whole time we've been talking? It bounces up to this 9 or 21 and I add. It comes down here to the green and I take. It goes back up to the 21, I add. It comes down here and I take. The reason is because my absolute sell is above VWAP. So my risk is right here every time. So I'm adding, selling, adding, selling, adding, selling 100 times. You guys have seen me do this. This whole time I've been talking, you guys have watched it, right? The whole time.
Yes, I love it. I love watching you add and shed and add and shed. Like, so cool.
Yeah, you see it respecting this 9 again right here? I'll add. This pulls, I'll take some away. Right here. Just took some profit. Constant over and over and over and over and over and over again, right? Look at this. I'll take a little bit more. Why? Micro double bottom. Boom. Take some. Thank you. It's going to bounce back up to this 9. I'm going to add. Breaks through. I'll add. It's glorious. And do you see how I'm keeping my risk minimal? This is a super ridiculous, crazy, advanced scalping strategy, not for everybody. I understand that. So everybody be cool. I'm looking to add when this pops up again. Looking for a bounce, add, sell. Bounce, add, sell. Bounce, add, sell. Breakthrough, add, sell, bounce, over and over and over and over and over and over again. It's glorious. If this breaks through, I'll add. If it bounces up, I'll add. Pulls down, I'll sell depending on how many I have. Right here, this is looking good for the add. Added. Put me in the green. A little more. Take some off. Got one left. If it bounces back up into this range, I'll look at adding. If it pulls all the way to the 1, I'll get out. If it pulls below where I'm at now, I will add. Right here, if this bounces too high above this area, I'll get out. If it pulls below it, I'll add. By the way, you guys will get to watch all of this advanced trading setup that I do inside of our brand new Platinum area that I'll be introducing soon. You guys will get to see all of this in real time without me talking and all the things so I can actually concentrate and make money. You guys will get to watch how myself and some other millionaires actually trade. That'd be great. Don't like how this is flat. I'm out. Look,
563.40 gold line.
there you go. Thank you. Looking for the bounce here, back up to here, and then I'll look at adding.
That be ADTTV.
Yes, it is.
Nice.
Don't worry, you guys will be able to watch us over in that area for probably $1,000 a month. You can see what it looks like. If you're a Diamond member, it's included. That's a $12,000 per year membership. Diamond members got for $5K for a lifetime. Stupid sale.
Thank you, Coach.
You're welcome. That's a stupid, ridiculous, dumb, idiotic sale. Take advantage.
Worst businessman I ever saw.
I know, it's just terrible. It's a stupid, stupid idea. The Qs are flushing, SPY's flushing. Apple, 2-minute EWO hit new low a day over there 5 times in a row, showing you support. Man.
Well, and then also, if you had the coach's indicators, it shows us that the level where it started to bounce was yesterday's close.
Yeah, smart. Yep. Oh, I see it. You're right. That is awesome. By the way, I've got a little tablet next to me. So here, let me show you if you guys can see it over on TikTok. See, I've got our trading view indicators right here, right? Always somewhere next to me. So I'm just running it off my little Galaxy tablet here. Nice. Did you guys see why I got out of these ESs right there though when it stalled out and got flat? You guys saw me dump the remaining 3. Right here's a spot to add. Same thing, I'll just do this in chunks. Can anybody tell me why I added the short here?
Rejection of the 9.
9.
All morning.
Yep, the 9, right? Boom, there it goes. I'll buy 3 back. 2 left. You guys see how I did that? Punch that baby. Take one more off. Why? This is the same spot as resistance, but does everybody see exactly how I did that?
Yes, sir.
And exactly when. The beautiful thing with that is, if I buy it here, guess what? My stop, right? My mental stop is the 21. So this was my risk. This is my reward. Make sense? Great.
Yes, sir.
Yep. And now all I have is 1 left. Right? So what I'm looking for here is either bounce here, back to the 9, add. Which it's coming. Hold on. Here it comes. I had to pull away the drawings fast. All right, I missed it. Damn it, coach. If you weren't training. Whatever. Anyways, that's what I was looking for. Pull back, add, back here, take off. Pull back, add, take off. Pull back, add, take off, breakthrough, add more. Great.
He's a genius.
That's how you do it, right? So this again, and I don't show this a ton, but this is right. This is a super advanced scalping methods and strategies. Not for everybody, obviously. If you guys were in the 2-minute EWO You would have just got it up there at the open. You'd still be in it. You'd still be laughing at how I'm making my money versus how you're making your money, right? Be like, ha 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 ha, ha, just 2 minute EWO. I know. Okay, I get it right here. Right here's an ad again. Be like, I know, I get it. Got 4. I'll look at taking 2 off. 2 off and out up here. This is starting to squeeze. Everybody see this?
What, how those weak bodies are getting shorter?
Here, I'll show you one sec. Let me put this in because I'm going to go into training mode, so I better have something to protect me for this. Because if you look at the 9, now the 9 is at resistance. This is support. That means this. Look how tight this space is. You see how it's squeezing in?
Correct.
I had to protect this trade with this stop off of this one. Because that would be when I'm talking and it goes, pew, right? Like, ah.
That's my luck.
Yeah, I'll be like, damn it. So I'm covered now that I've got the stop. But I've got to really be careful here. This is a squeeze area. I got my stop. Stopped out. Leave it alone. This was resistance. But again, this was all squeezed. Look at Apple getting ready to make new low a day over their 2 minute EWO riders. Those of you who actually are listening, who are actually following the strategy, who are actually just selling on the pullbacks and then who are leaving it alone forever. Congratulations to you.
I sold it on the first pullback.
Thank you.
First candle.
Thank you. Yeah, I got all the way out on right on the first green candle. Stop it.
So in an instance like Apple, because I only had one, so I got out right there at the bottom.
Nope.
When it broke when it back above the 9.
Nope.
Because I only had one. Where would I
No.
go
No.
No.
Everybody in the room, do I recommend doing the 2 minute EWO with one ever? No.
At least 3 to 5. I didn't find consistency until after 3 to 5 positions.
That's right. Minimum 2. Hell, if worst case to at least train your brain, you got to have a minimum of 2. Otherwise, you never get to work shedding. You never will allow a runner to run. You will always stop out and treat it like a scalp, right? On the first instance, you can never, you just will never train your brain, right? Okay, good. By the way, did you guys see here? We had down, 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 down. I told you though, right here. I said, do you see how it's closing? Didn't I say this right here at this exact moment? Did we see?
Make a break, you call it right there.
Yep, that exact moment, right? No other moment. It wasn't doing anything else. It was already consolidated. Oh, but it's been consolidated. I told you the exact within 15 freaking seconds of it, right? Okay, well, that's what we do here, right, Palm? We do this every damn day.
Yes, if people are listening closely.
Yep, every day. We do this every day, and you can see it and what it's doing and why it's doing it. Now, right here, we're up in this traffic jam. This is a great spot. Here it goes. This, let me set up while I'm talking about it. I'm missing it all.
Little VWAP drop.
Yeah, and if you look at the traffic right here from before, so that is a perfect setup for me to short it. Why? Because if I buy it here, my stop is right here. This is my risk. This is my reward.
Yep. Ran right into the 21, little spike cross VWAP, turn around, bam, drop it.
Yep, I'm going to take some off. And then I'm going to let it go right back into this channel where it was before. Take another one.
Change in less than that.
I got one left.
About a minute. Don't we have some announcement at 10 too?
Yeah, we've got a Trump press conference on a partnership.
Mr. T conference partnership. Oh yeah, is this the one where he says it's going to be massive news today?
Exactly.
Yep.
UK trade deal.
Yep. So I'm ready for that. Actually, I'm going to do that. Yep.
Shift change 30 seconds.
Thank you. Yeah, I think he said one of the countries is coming to the table to remove everything. The first of many, he said.
And some people say it's India, but that's already kind of been announced, hasn't it? Or maybe
It hasn't been officially announced. They just said that we're done, no more tariffs, but there's been no like official paperwork signing.
Fox Business this morning is saying it's UK. We'll see.
Yep. All right, 10 o'clock, gang. Here we go. I'm going to move this stop tighter, actually. There's no reason to give this up if it just blasts off. Powell, I told you guys he wasn't going to move that thing yesterday, right? Even though everything is looking way up, he did not touch that thing. Do you know how much the stock market, I told you yesterday, would have boomed if he would have lowered interest rates? Oh my gosh, the floodgates of money would have opened to this country. Ugh. But the good thing is overall inflation is down, gas is down, eggs are down, energy's down, jobs are up, right? Everything is awesome. It's phenomenal. It's phenomenous. Just enjoy the ride, ladies and gentlemen. I already told you it was not a recession. They were lying to your face for clickbait. We all got paid at American Dream Trading. Remember, here at American Dream Trading, none of it is financial tax or investment advice. Everything is for training and education purposes only. Those of you that were in the Apple 2-minute EWO while I've been giving you the whole live, making sure you guys are staying in it and doing the things, how we doing over there? New low a day.
Three runners up 26%.
Good job. It's crazy what happens when you trust the system, trust the strategies that are in place, trust how David got to $600,000 in profits and how he hasn't had a red day since October by doing this exact same thing that we discussed. It's crazy, right? How what we're training you on, the proof is in the pudding, we do every single day in front of your face.
And how he's locked in over $1,000 today in less than 30 minutes.
Woo! Oh gosh, right here is a great setup.
Doing small positions.
Yes. Great job, partner. So proud of you. You guys are just crushing it, crushing it. By the way, I think, Dave, you have to give me the updated list, but I think we should be close, right, on being caught up with them one-on-ones because we get.
Yeah, I was getting everything set up last night. So
Okay.
I had some reschedules from last month that
Yeah.
got shifted over, but we're getting to the end where
Okay.
I think I've got some booked out in June, but they were reschedules from last month, so we should be able to turn them back on whenever you want.
Okay, cool. All right, we'll start looking at that.
Updated list tonight.
Yep. Thank you so much. Yeah. If you guys remember, I ran that ridiculously stupid deal of $47. You guys remember that? Yeah. We sold like 300 of those one-on-ones for $47 and it got us booked back like 6 months. So we just finally got caught up on that backlog. So if you guys are interested in a one-on-one with David, our training moderator, who again has been doing this 2-minute EWO for 2.5 years, over 600,000 in profits, hasn't had a red day in like 8 months straight. We're going to open those one-on-ones back up. So if you guys are interested, open up a ticket or just say I'd like to get one and we'll start the process. But we'll look at turning that back on. Thank you. David, doing a great job, by the way. Appreciate you.
Thank you, sir.
I should have got in right here when I was too busy blabbing But this was the perfect entry right here at VWAP to short this. Why? Because if it broke above it, I just immediately get out for such a minimal cost, right?
For new traders, that one-on-one with Dave would be some of the best money you ever spent.
Yeah, absolutely. I 1,000,000% agree with that. Just took two off the table on that. Still holding. Beautiful setup right there. Who again shorted this right here at VWAP, right? Wasn't this perfect setup again? This is phenomenal. Look at this thing. Just constantly making money here. Those of you that like to watch the live replays, I would highly recommend that you go back and watch today's for the last 30 minutes of everything I've been doing. There's some serious trading going on inside of here. I know I'm only doing small bits in all of these little MES contracts, but I'm telling you, right, all these little bits add up. Or don't watch it and just sit on your ass.
And I have no idea how you could be doing all that while you're talking.
Yeah, it's a little much. It's yeah, it's a little much. All right. This one's still flushing out. Still beautiful. Looking to see if it's going to break this level or not. If it does, I'll add in. Oh my gosh, look how nice that is. You see this right here? Look at this gap. Can you guys see it? It's nice. Apple, new low a day. Apple, new low a day.
We're at 35% on the runners.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Coach, for some reason YouTube is not showing you live. Ad is there, but you're not broadcasting.
Oh, interesting. All right, thank you. Good to know. Nice. Look at the gap. Look at Apple. Wow, just bleeding out. Who's making money over there? That's nice.
It's back now. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Apple, new low a day. Now, I want you guys to think about something, right? And if you're like, oh, well, I only made $60 or whatever on Apple. Okay, times it by 1,000. If you had 1,000 contracts right now instead of your one, how much would you have made? Am I right?
$60,000.
That's right. That's what I'm saying. So those of you, right? Why is this not buying anything? There it goes. Look at this collapse. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Who's in these shorts with me? How beautiful is that?
Paid.
Yup, that's nice. Look at that. What a bleeder. Taking two more off. One left. That's nice. I've got a previous level marked here at 563.13. It just hit 18 and bounced on SPY. See it? You know what that was? We marked that this morning, didn't we? Together. I got one left. Apple, new low a day. Remember, gang, once you have your strategies in place and once you become a really good trader, it's just about position sizes. So once you are making 50, you'll do the same thing to make 500. Once you're doing 500, you'll do the same to make 5,000. You're 5,000, you'll do the same to make 50,000. 50,000, you'll do the same to make 500,000, like we have members in here doing in a single trading day. Do you understand what I'm telling you now about how the money will come once you become a good trader, right? This isn't some sales thing. I'm telling you right now.
You're right.
Linking the diamond, by the way, there. I just posted it. Still in this single one. Starts to bleed again, I'll add. Yep, I like it. Pops, I'll take away. It's flat. Out, out. Closing the last one because for whatever reason I just got a weird fill. Did you guys see that? If it does that, I just get out. Apple, new low a day. Who's kicking themselves right now that you're still not an Apple? Talk to me right now. I want the truth. Come on.
I am, Coach.
All right.
I am, Coach.
Okay. No worries. It's a part of learning, right? It's a part of getting better, right?
Chased a shiny penny and got in PLTR.
I hear you. Apple, new low a day. Don't you worry. I'm going to tell you guys all day about it.
Got a line at 562.83.
Pouring the salt on the
I really am because at some point it's got to hurt, right? And I think if the pain isn't there, I don't think people are going to do it right. It's all right. It happens. Look at this bleeding. Ow. I'm sorry, Palm. What'd you say, partner?
High line 562.83. Just broke it though.
Yeah, this is just collapsing. I love it. How many do I have? 8?
562 flat. Next one.
Minus.
A soft line of 562.20.
Thank you. Yeah, it's nice.
Is this because of the Mr. T news?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Not yet.
Yeah, it could be in anticipation. Nobody knows yet, right? People are getting scared. They're getting scared.
Everybody except for ADT.
Yeah, everybody except for you 2-minute EWO riders that are still holding on to Apple, and you're making the most money you've ever made in your lives because all you had to do is listen to the sound of my voice and or following over there with David in a live 2-minute EWO strategy are the same thing that we've been training you guys on every single day for almost 3 years now, consistently, consecutively, with proven back test.
Coach, you're right.
I just had
65%.
I just had a heart attack right there. Did you guys look at this is a live heart attack. It just happened on the program. Look.
Oh baby.
look at the one. I'm checking you with one eye. One eye look.
Would you make more money than you ever have in your life?
Yeah. Look at Apple. It's the most perfect executed 2-minute EWO flawless, beautiful, money making, dream changing, life altering trade. And all you had to do was sit there. Oh, heart attack. One eye. One eye look. One eye heart attack look.
What about now?
That's hilarious. I hope you guys are just super printing. Who's making that money, Apple 2-minute EWO riders? Talk to me.
I am.
Thank you.
You know,
Thank you.
runners are 58%.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Now again, I want you guys to look at whatever you're doing, whatever dollar amount or whatever percentage you're at, times it by 100. I want you to times it by 100 right now. That's the only difference. The only thing that's changed is how much you put into that trade, right?
Yes.
That's it. The trade wasn't different. How much did you put into the trade? That's it. So once you're comfortable, confident, you understand how to do it, and you can do it on a consistent basis, it's $1 million trade. Nice job. Good. That's right. Good job. All right, if this breaks this 9 here, I got to get out. I've been hanging out, having 76 false alarm fake heart attacks, trying to make sure you guys are staying in these trades. Get it.
The guy is willing to put his life on the line. Come on, man.
Literally, he gave himself 17 heart attacks on live to make sure you stayed in these trades.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, who else would do 17 heart attacks in a row with a one eye look? Huh?
Red Fox.
I'm doing it for the people.
Yeah.
Red Fox.
Red Fox. That's awesome.
That's the big one. I'm coming.
Yeah, I'm coming. Let me put this.
In the chat, yes, if you exited a 6-star trade, yeah, give yourself an ass whipping.
Yep, go ahead. Yeah, we give you permission. Slap yourself.
Step out of the room and give yourself an ass whipping.
Oh, that's great.
Address, Coach, and drive to their house.
Yes.
Your monster truck.
That's right. That's right. That's just crazy, right? Now, right here, Apple. Now, you guys, right? This here is a pullback. This is where you shed. Now, let me pull this up on the big screen, though. Okay. So this is Apple. If you look at it, right? So first candle was just showing us where we were going to go with consolidation. You see it right in here. But this candle, that candle right there, this one, this is the pullback. That's where I shed. And it looks like a V. You'll always know it'll look like a V, right? So right here on the 2-minute, you can see it right there. Consolidation candle. This one is a pullback. Do you see how it's larger than where it was consolidating? Yes? Let me pull it up on the 2-minute, make it easy for you. There you go. Right here, look at consolidation, not consolidation. Do you guys see the difference? If this would have stayed in here this whole time, I would not have shed.
No, jumped above that candle.
Yep.
Coach, and before, where would you have shed?
Let me look.
Backwards a little bit.
Yeah, let me look. Nothing here. Flat, 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 flat. Right here. Down, flat, down here. So this spot is 1, this spot is 2. See it?
Yes, Coach.
Yep. Now, you guys are coming onto this trend line right here that I drew out earlier. See this trend line? You want to see a pullback right here. Okay? This doesn't pull back here, and it starts to run up to here. I would get rid of more here. Leave my last runner as long as it stayed below VWAP. Why? Only because I bought here. So if this is my entry way up here, even if it decided on my last one to break VWAP, I'm still in the profit. But that will allow the last one, right, obviously, to continue to run. Makes sense? As my dog is dying from drinking too much water. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes, it does, Coach. Thank
Yep.
you.
Yep. You guys are doing a great job. I'm proud of you. Those of you that actually acknowledge that you are not following the strategies, I'm proud of you too, because guess what? As soon as you start talking about it, change can happen, right? Until you actually give into it, change can start to happen. Oh, thank you. Wombat says giving you virtual CPR coach. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Good looking out. Good looking out. Yes, thank you. Check out GPUS, GPUS. Look at this thing. Popped like a big zit.
Would you call me?
Look at the GPUS out in this one. Look.
Yep, up 56%, Coach. Nice.
Beautiful.
And Coach,
Yes.
I mean, the Apple news wasn't really as bad for Apple as it is for Google.
Correct.
Because Apple never had a search engine.
That's right. That's right. Beautiful. Glorious. A lot of good trading going on today. All right, it's 10:21. I'm going to be taking off here in a second. Did anybody make any money today, or did you learn anything, or both? Hopefully, open up your mics. Let the world know.
Both, Coach.
Both. Both. Again.
Thank you. Love your faces. Moderators, did anybody take advantage of the OG Premium Lifetime Membership for $750 or the all-inclusive Omega Crazy Premium Ridiculous? What the hell is going on? Diamond Lifetime Sale. Did anybody take advantage of those while we were live?
I'm working on a couple now, Coach, in YouTube.
Smart.
Hey, Coach, last night for earnings, we caught App 11.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Yes.
It just exploded. It was so perfectly timed. We were just watching for the news. It came out, and it was a banger.
Yeah, that was beautiful. I saw that they beat like really big time.
Yeah, it's a good long-term hold. Great, great company, great growth.
Not financial tax or investment advice.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, thank you.
Terrible company name, as we discussed last night.
Yeah, McLovin, App Lovin.
Yep.
Somebody did. Dom, I see you took advantage literally 20 minutes ago of the OG lifetime membership. Make sure you link your Discord account if you haven't yet. Nice job. Diamonds going away. Diamonds are going away. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Those would be nice. Brandon, you got your hand up. Go ahead, partner. Brandon? Brandon?
Bueller.
Brandon gave me a heart attack. I had to do one eye look. Brandon, you're killing us. Look at this pullback now on SPY. Okay.
ASST hold to the upside.
Thank you.
Brandon responded and said his mic's not working.
Oh, okay.
And I believe he's a new member also.
Oh, good. Did he have a question? Did he ask the question in the room?
Can you hear me?
No, he said, give him a second. I think he's trying to get the mic working.
Okay.
Hello?
Yep. Is that you, Brandon?
Yes, sir.
Hey, welcome.
Hi, how's it going, Coach?
Good, good. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for allowing me to be here. So I got out of Apple. I'm curious, when is a good buyback position?
What kind of strategy were you using or are you using?
2-minute EWO,
Oh,
Coach.
no, heart attack. I'm out. That's it. I'm done.
No, I'm sorry.
I'm cooked. That's it. Hold on. Do you guys remember on Airplane, right? When he keeps right taking care of himself. I can't say it while we're live, and he's like fake sword, right? And then right? And then dumping the gasoline on himself with a match. Like all this is going on right now in my head. This whole thing is happening. Brandon.
I'm new. I'm new.
All right. All right. Well, we won't beat you up too bad then. Okay. Um, really, you're just looking for the good setup then. I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm just asking because if you're doing the 2-minute EWO, you really need to be in that live Apple chat with the VIP gold area because David is literally walking you through it right now as we speak. Are you over there by chance?
No, sir. I only have the premium lifetime.
Oh, did you buy the premium OG lifetime?
I bought it a few years back
Oh,
when I was in the Navy.
oh. Are you out of the Navy now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Did you retire? Did you just leave early? What happened?
Uh, yeah, I got out early.
You just
I
wanted
did
out?
6 years.
Yeah, I hear you.
I'm done.
Nice. Well, listen, I appreciate you and thank you for your service. Do me a favor. We're going to give you a month free of VIP and VIP Gold so you can get your ass over there in the live Apple chat so we can help you out. Moderators, grab Brandon. Give him a month of VIP and Gold. So the VIP Gold complete package for 30 days. Send him into the live Apple chat so he can get some training, some direct education from David, who's been doing it for 2.5 years, made over $600,000. Had red day since October. Get over there and get it done.
Hell yeah, thanks for your service, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Hoorah, Coach.
Heart attack, one eye.
Thanks for your service, man.
Very much. Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate it. So we're gonna get you squared away today so you can do it. But honestly, now you're at a standstill waiting because the 2-minute EDWO, people are gonna probably be in this for the next 3 hours. So without it changing colors or moving into something else, you're still in the trade. So technically, I couldn't tell you to re-enter into a 2-minute when you're already in the 2 minutes. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because now it would be a scalp. Now it would just be a scalp. So,
Okay.
yep.
Can't do stops though. I'm not.
Yeah, no, and I don't want you to do it. I'm just saying it's now I couldn't tell you again to get in it because you should be in it. So there's no, unless this thing changes colors, goes green, starts to run to the moon, jumps above VWAP, you guys get the 2-minute indication that right now we're clear to the upside. Other than that, there is no more 2-minute EWO. They're going to collect on this to the downside until 4 o'clock if it never changes, right? So, what's up, Ron the Don? Good to see you, man. Appreciate you. Good to have you in here. But anyways, we'll take care of you, Brandon. Appreciate you, buddy.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. For anybody else, if you guys are interested in getting that VIP Gold Complete, I think we have that on sale for $600 a month. You too can join Brandon over there to get all the trainings on the 2-minute EWOs. That'd be great. All right, hold on one second. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up and get the hell out of here before I actually have a real heart attack. So you guys are making so much money, you're gonna give the old man a heart attack. real quick, want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. And thank you again for your service, Brandon. Glad to have you back over here. We appreciate all of you. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Hit it! There it is. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it, everybody. Make sure you guys take advantage of the 5K Diamond Lifetime membership. Congratulations. Money Machine just scooped up the premium OG. Go ahead. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
Just no, I didn't mean to interrupt you. I said you'll regret it if you don't get that diamond, man. You will regret it.
You will. Yeah, I would. 1 million.
This opportunity, I still can't believe you're doing it for only 5,000. It's an unbelievable steal.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. And it'll help. We'll fill the rooms. There'll be a lot of people. There'll be a lot of buzz. There'll be a lot of excitement. Everybody's going to be talking about American Dream Trading. I know it's a massive. I lose $15,000 for every one I sell, and I've sold, I think, close to 100 on this sale. So I lose $15,000 every time you buy it because I know that's what I can get for it. Right? I already know. So get it. I don't know what you're waiting for. All right, I'm out. Love your faces. I'm going to close all the things, shut down all the stuff. Palm is doing me a favor today. He's going to hook you guys up and do the mentorship with all of you. So if you guys have ever wanted to work with one of the best stock market traders in the world right now, Palm will be over there, who's had several $1 million single months. He's had $1 million days. He's had $1 million trades. You guys will get to work with him right now inside of that mentorship program that is included with your Diamond Lifetime membership. Otherwise, you guys can buy that as $500 a month or $6,000 per year, which costs more than the entire Diamond Lifetime membership. I'm out. Love your faces. Thank you for taking care of that for me, too.